Nice one. Kill it. Kill it. Nice one. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Variations. Variations. Circles. Circles. Yes. Keep going. Yes. Go. Yes. Twist. Keep going. Leg movements. Leg movements. Yeah. Hop. 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 Yes. Keep going. Nice one. At the same time, legs up. At the same time, legs down. Go. Yeah, this I want. Nice one. Keep going. That's the spirit of the champion, boy. Go. Good one. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nice one. Don't stop till you hit 20. Don't stop. No matter what. No matter what. You focus. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Push. Push. Nice one. Only leg raises. Leg raises. Go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Up. Full power. Go. 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Up. Go. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Again. Again. Full power. Full power. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. Down, 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 down.
No, no, no.
No.
That's
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do
Fucker.
it. You can do
No,
it.
no, no.
Down. Up, up, up. Again.
I will fall down. I will fall down.
No, 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 no. You won't. Go, go, go again. Up. At least put some efforts.
I need to block my something today. That's
Come on,
good.
come on, come on.
Do
Do.
Move.
You can do it. You can do it. Go from here. 1, 2.
Oh, 3, 4, 5.
Pull down. Up. Only half. Half up. Go, go down. Go. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Next one. 10 reps. Last. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you.
Shoulder retract, chest. Push up, push up, push up. Come in push up position and up. Come on, give me 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the range. Yes, go. Keep going. Bounce and move. Yes.
I just want to check my how much of power I'm training. Can you stay there? Can I punch this here and check it out? This is for Russian girl.
1, 2, 3, 4. I should move from the place. I'm still standing. Yes. Go. Go.
sensations flow through your glow.
Oh my
How does
god.
it feel? How's Rehan's training?
Huh?
How's Rehan's training?
Yeah, you train good always.
What's your thought? What are your thoughts about Rehan's training? Be sincere and honest to the viewers.
Electrify with you, electrify. Electrify with you.
Your training is good. Give me some money, I will tell you about it.
That's what I was talking about, guys. Look at him. He needs money for everything. He's a businessman, business tycoon, the future business tycoon of the world.
Huh?
That's what you're looking at. He needs money to say the facts, the honest words, you know? That's why he doesn't speak the honest.
Today you did a good job and you made me the next step today. I feel it out. I feel my all the backs feel a little bit showing outside. I love it for that. I see my body too. I increased everything. Now it's loose everything. And today morning too I didn't eat. I think near night 8 o'clock. We eat only 2 of something. What is something?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato only I eat. Just 2 pieces because I won't do the stomach exercise today. And 15 hours of 15 hours of fasting am. But you did a good job today. I love it, man. And thanks for what you made me. You made me my next okay.
All mine, man.
And I love you guys. And please share our video if you like. And keep watching us and keep giving the support to us. And we'll see you again. I love you all.